everybody. My name is Amelia Dexter of Amelialand.
And today, Amelia wants to tell you about something that she learned in science today. Amelia, take it away.
Today, we learned about the different types of rock. Sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous.
Yeah. Now, sedimentary rock, that's the kind you find the fossils in, right?
Uh-huh.
And how is that formed?
It's formed by pressure.
So over many, many thousands and millions of years, little bits of silt and sand and stuff, they pile up.
Uh-huh.
There you go. And then, how about metamorphic rock?
For that, you have to apply pressure and heat.
So it builds up, but it's inside the earth where it's really super hot.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And what about igneous?
Igneous is made from melted rock. When rock is melted, it turns into magma. That magma, when it comes out of a volcano, turns into lava. Then that lava, if it quickly dries, then it is smooth like glass. But if it slowly dries, it turns to holes like Swiss cheese.
But all that rock needs is heat, right? It's actually rocks that are melting and turning into the magma.
I'm melting.
Oh boy. But then after it comes out as lava, it cools off again, boom, back into a rock. Boop. If it cools quickly, you got your smooth, pretty rocks. If it cools slowly, well, then a bunch of air holes develop and that kind of thing, right? So, we set out to do an experiment to show how the rocks were made. And what did we use for that?
We used crayon shavings.
Yeah. So we shaved and shaved and shaved and shaved and shaved a bunch of crayons.
Bunch of poor, sharp into the bone crayons.
Yeah. Won't be using those again.
You're right.
And we made 3 piles, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the first pile was going to be the sedimentary, right? So what did we do for that?
We put a book on top of it and leave it with our arrows.
So put some wax paper on top of the crayons and then put the book on top of that and then put you on top of the book. Just like that, yes. And what did it look like when you pulled the book off and everything?
It looked like this most big thing. It's like a little plate. It had all the different colors in it. It was amazing.
So if that was like sedimentary rock, you could see, right, those little plates, pile, 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 pile. That's like a sedimentary rock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you did the igneous, right? And what'd you do for igneous? What did we do with the crayons?
Well, we put them...
We put the iron like really close to it,
We
right?
put the iron really close to them.
So get that heat.
Mm-hmm. Someone else was doing the iron. Yeah, Invisimani was doing the iron.
And once we got that hot, what did we have?
We had these little like rocks. It's so cool. The little things formed together into these tiny petals.
Yeah.
They looked so cool.
And I can attest to the fact that before they were little rocks, they were molten lava because I got some on my finger. It's really hot. So then the last one, we did the metamorphic.
Mm-hmm.
And what do we do for that?
So we put we did pressure and heat.
All right. So we put the wax paper on top of it again, and we had something really heavy we were using for the heat. So what did you do?
I just picked it up and placed it on top.
So you put the iron on top, and we waited about 10, 15 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
And what happened to those poor little crayon shavings?
It flowed inside the wax paper and made this surface. And once it dried, it was smooth.
So it was like
Incredibly smooth.
So it oozed all over because of the heat, but because of the pressure, it oozed even further, and it was nice and flat. Right?
Nice and flat.
And there you go. 3 kinds of rock built with crayons. What'd you like best about that experiment?
My favorite one was honestly metamorphic.
You like the oozy rock?
Yeah, I like the oozy rock. I even got to cut it.
Very nice. Very cool. Do you have anything else you'd like to add?
Nope.
I hope you enjoyed yourself, folks. Amelia, take us out.
My name is Amelia Dexter on Amelialand. Telling you to stay tuned.
Signing off.